our previous lecture, we have completed chapter number 8, Mapping Your Way. Today, we are going to start new chapter, chapter number 9, Boxes and Sketches, part 1. So, let's begin. Let me give you introduction about this chapter name, Boxes and Sketches. In this chapter, we will be learning about cube and cuboid and their sketches. So, students, what is a cube? A cube is a three-dimensional figure whose all sides are equal. That is, all its faces are square. What is a cuboid? A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape in which all the sides are not equal. That is, all the faces are rectangle. So students, let me give you example of cuboid. So here you can see this is a box. So this is an example of cuboid. We can see this box with the help of three ways. This is a top view, this is your front view, and this is a side view. We have three ways for seeing the solid object. So now let us see what is a net. A net is a two-dimensional shape that can be folded to form three-dimensional shape or a solid. A net is a two-dimensional shape that can be folded to form a three-dimensional shape. A solid may have different nets. A solid may have different nets. For example, cube. Here cube has different nets. Another example, cuboid. Here you can see cuboid has different nets. Solid objects can be viewed from different angles. Example, so here you can see solid object, this is a cuboid. So, they look different from front, top and side. It looks different from front view, top view and side view. So, students, open your Maths NCERT book, page number 126. And the topic name is Sweet Box. So, now let us read together what are they saying. Ramya went to buy sweets. The shopkeeper took a paper cutout and quickly made a lovely pink box for the sweets. So you can see in your book this lovely pink box which shopkeeper took a paper cutout. So now let us see what are they saying. Look at the photo and make your own box. Use the cutout on page number 201. How fast can you fold it? So students, open your books, page number 201. You can see a pink color cutout. Now let us see how fast can you fold it.
So now let us learn how to make sweet box using the cutout given on page number 201. So here you can see the line, top and bottom. So now let us fold this above the line. So now same process will continue towards right hand side. So just press this above the line. Now you can see same process towards down. Students, now just see here I have cut this. So now same towards left and same right, just fold this paper inside this. Left and right, fold this paper inside this. So you can use Fevicol for pasting. So here you can see a structure of box is made. Now use your glue and paste the corners left and right side.
After coming home, Ramya unfolded the box. She removed the extra flaps. So the cutout looked like this. So now the cutout looked like this. Boy said, this shape makes a box. Let me see what other shapes will make a box. He said that this shape makes a box. Let me see what other shapes make a box. She made 4 more shapes. Each is to be folded along the dotted lines. You have to find out which of these can be made into a box. So you can see in your books these 4 shapes. They are saying now let us see which shape can be folded to make into a box. Next topic, shapes that fold into a cube. This topic is there in your book, page number 127. Buddha wants to make a paper cube using a square sheet. He knows that all the faces of a cube are squares. So the question, how many faces does the cube have? How many faces does a cube have? Cube have 6 faces and all the faces are square. So now he draws into 2 different shapes. So now let us do the question through screen.
Question number 1. Will both these shapes fold into a cube? So students, here you can see both the shapes, and yes, both the shapes can be folded into cubes. Now question number 2. Draw at least one more shape which can fold into a cube. So here I have drawn one more shape. It can fold into a cube. Students, you can cut like this squares in a piece of paper and fold it and paste with the help of glue. And yes, you can make a cube. Question number 3. What will be the area of each face of the cube? The area of each face of the cube is equal to side into side. Question number 4. Draw one shape which will not fold into a cube. So here you can see I have drawn 6 squares. So these 6 squares cannot fold into a cube. Question number 5. Look around and discuss which things around you look like a cube. List a few. So students, now look around and discuss the shapes which look like a cube. Dice, Rubik's cube, ice cube and sugar cube resemble the shape of a cube.
Next topic, shapes for an open box. Remember the puzzles with 5 squares in chapter 3? You saw 12 different shapes made with 5 squares given in your book, page number 46. If you cut those shapes and fold them, some of those will fold into an open box without a top. Now turn the page, come to page number 128. Girl said, I can make open boxes with both these. But with these, I cannot make open boxes. Next topic, boxes and boxes. All boxes are not cubes. All boxes are not cubes. Here are some different kind of boxes. So here you can see a different kind of boxes. Match the shapes on the left with the box into which it will fold. So now let us do this question through screen.
So here you can see some different kinds of boxes. So now we have to match the shape on the left with the box into which it will fold. So first figure, can you see? There are 2 shapes, rectangle and triangle. So the sketch of this shape is, here I have matched. Second, you can see a cone shape is drawn. So what is the sketch of this shape? So here I have matched. Third, you can see a prism shape is drawn. So what will be the sketch of this? So here it is. So the last shape is cylinder. So in which box it will fold? It will fold into this. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So chapter number 9, part 1 completed. Practice these questions at home. Now we'll continue in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.